Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup monster job search filters on iOS, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Monster app on your iOS device. Navigate to the job search section. Locate the filters you wish to backup. Take a screenshot of each filter setting. For multiple filters, repeat the screenshot process for each one. Make sure all important details are captured in the screenshots. Open the Photos app on your iOS device. Create a new album named Monster Job Filters. Add all the screenshots to this new album. Once added, ensure all images are clearly visible in the album. If desired, export the album to cloud storage for added security. Consider using a note-taking app to document any specific details about your filters. For instance, note down the keywords or locations used. If you have to reset your filters in the future, these documented details will be helpful. Check the Monster app for any updates regarding filter restoration features. Regularly review your backup to ensure it remains current. This will help maintain your job search efficiency. Your filters are now safely backed up and ready for future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.